Hi guys. Are you ready to explore the world of virtualization and open source technology? In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process on installing VirtualBox and setting up Ubuntu. A quick introduction on Ubuntu and VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a free open source software that lets you create and run virtual machines on your computer. And Ubuntu is a free user-friendly operating system based on Linux. It's known for its simplicity, security, and wide range of applications. We're going to try and run a Linux operating system on my laptop that uses Windows operating system. So, first, in our browser and search for www.virtualbox. VirtualBox. Because we can't run this without a VirtualBox. We can't run Ubuntu without a VirtualBox. Press download and click the appropriate platform package, which is in our case Windows. So let's just wait and download. Wait for it to download, and we try to install it. So the VirtualBox is now ready to be installed. We're gonna press it and wait for it. Do you want to allow changes to the device? Just press yes. And from there, we're going to install VirtualBox. Next, I accept the terms. Next, you can try and find, you can try to look to allocate the location yourself, but I will gonna use the default. Network interface, press yes. Let's create a start and install. This might take a time installing. It depends on your device, your laptop. So we're just gonna wait for it to install. And after installing this VirtualBox, you can try to install the Ubuntu. I already tried to install it because it is a heavy file. It's 5.8 GB. But in order to find that, you're just gonna search this ubuntu.com and then get Ubuntu, press that, download Ubuntu Desktop, and then just make sure to click the Ubuntu Desktop 24.04.LTS to use the latest version of the Ubuntu. And that's all. We're just gonna wait for it to install. So after installing the Oracle VirtualBox Manager and the Ubuntu file, we're gonna open the VirtualBox and then press New to start the process of installing the Ubuntu. You're just gonna name it. In my case, I'm just gonna name it Ubuntu 2024. Just select the file, Linux 64-bit, subtype ISO image not selected, then finish. And we're just gonna set up the storage before starting the file because we don't have a optical drive yet. Press the storage, press the empty, and then choose this file and browse until you find the Ubuntu file, this image ISO file, and just press open. And okay, now we can now start the Ubuntu. Let's just wait for it to power. This might take a while, depends on your device. My case, it's taking a while. And then it will display this. Let's choose the Ubuntu Safe Graphics. You can choose that by pressing the down arrow or on your keyboard. And then enter. Let's just wait for it. The Ubuntu is now installed. And after this installation, we're gonna set up the Ubuntu file itself. Let's just wait. And after it load, we're gonna set up the Ubuntu. I choose English language. Just click next on accessibility. English US. Just word connection, connect to the internet. And then I'm just gonna use it default. Install Ubuntu. Directed off our default selection. Install third party next. Just click next. We're gonna use all default settings for now. And make sure to, in this part, make sure to click the erase this and install Ubuntu. Then just next, and then you can create your own account. In my case, I'm gonna go log VirtualBox password. It's up to you. Mm, sure that it's correct. In my case, I won't require my password to log into this Ubuntu account again, but I'll remember my password. Next, put your time zone. It is already correct. Review your choices and then install. Just gonna wait it to load. Then pretty much that's it, I guess, on how to install the VirtualBox. I mean Ubuntu inside a VirtualBox.